Third, we have correct, it's distributive property. Number 4, we have correct, it's identity property. And lastly, we have N, it's associative or grouping property. Let's proceed in multiplying whole numbers. We have 134 times 5. So 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Then 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, we have 756 times 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Try to answer this as fast as you can. We have number 1. 96 times 3. It's 288. Next, we have 49 times 2. It's 98.